Hello guys, today we are going to see about the diagnostics policy service is not running on Windows 11. Let's fix this guys. Go to search menu, type CMD, right click, click yes. Check description for this command guys. Copy the first command and tap this bar, right click it, eject, paste, press enter guys. The command completely successful guys. Uh, Copy the next command, copy it, tap this bar, eject, paste it, press enter guys. The command completely successful. This is solve this problem. Diagnostic policy service is not running on Windows 11. That's it guys, hope you guys like it. This tutorial will definitely work for you. Thumbs up guys, I will be happy about that.